We are also having an idea about social entrepreneurship, and our group was discussing about disabled people, like different disabilities, as well mental health issues. And what we all found out through these days that it's hard to be a disabled person in Athens, because as we yesterday discussed, that there are the streets different, and as well if you go inside in shops, the menus, and like not all people can read it, and it's not always easy. So we came to this idea that we will make like a small paradise in Athens. It will be a coffee shop. It's called A Cup of Dream. A Cup of Dreams, that's our logo. Why A Cup of Dreams? Because everyone who wants, they will be able to come to our shop and get some good coffee, some good tea. And of course we will employ people with disabilities to give them a chance to actually get this work experience. And why we will be unique is because we will be super green. How we mean it, we have actually other picture. It will be like really a green shop. So we will make the nature to come closer to us. So it will be with a lot of plants, and we will have as well outside the garden with animals, different like small animals, because it's a therapy for the people as well.
Pet therapy.
Yeah, it's like pet therapy, and it's not just for disabled, it's as well for everyone. Sometimes you go outside to take a coffee and you don't feel like very well, you don't feel like happy today. But then I think if you go in such a wonderful place that's green, that's nice, that's full with art, like they will have, we will have as well workshops for the disabled people. We will write projects, volunteer projects, and we will have people who are good in art and good in music, and the people who will work with us, like disabled people, they will have their workshops to kind of calm them down and express themselves through art. And we will sell as well the art, so it will be in the shop, and if someone will be interested, they will be able as well to buy it. So it's not just employing them, but as well to helping them out to feel, to be happy, to create something, to leave something. But because this place will include everyone. Of course, our main target group is still young people, 18-35, because it's like it's trendy these days, I would say, tourists. Because like yesterday we also were going down the streets and we found just an amazing shop. They were selling waffles, but like hands and greeted, like everything was made, and it was just eye-catching. And we just went in because it was pretty, it was nice, we made thousands of pictures. And it's the same with the marketing in the shop. Like if it will be lovely, nice and interesting and unique, the marketing will go on, because people will make pictures, they will post on Instagram, they will post on Facebook, because if it's something cool and trendy, people want to share it. Like, just think about each in yourself. Like, it has been, right? You do something cool, that's trendy, and you want to post it. So that will be our basic marketing. Of course, we will have Instagram, like you see, we have it already. We are the green side of the city. We will have as well our website, and we will cooperate with our partners, because our partners are starting from the government, because it's an issue that we are dealing together and we need to work together. We will as well cooperate with other social enterprises who are dealing and working with people with disabilities. We will make those like cards together that you can get different discounts. And as well with the coffee shop, like if you come with your own cup, it's like the same, like environmentally friendly, you will get as well the discount, to kind of emphasize that it's necessary to think about environment and include everybody. Like this will be a shop that includes everything, starting from people, plants, animals, just creating this small paradise in these tons of buildings to make just a small green place. And as well, we will gather donations from people, and as much as possible we will recycle and give the second life for the different things, because we will have those art lessons so these disabled people can create something and express themselves again in different ways. And and then we will have this pretty amazing thing. We will have the dream wall. Like everyone who will come to our shop, and you will be just in a minute a part of this. Everyone who will come in the shop will make a picture, like with the Polaroid, and will write their dreams, like what they want to do in life, or what they want to achieve, or where they want to go. So we will create this special bonding with the people who are coming. So it's not just that one time I'm going for the, I don't know, cup of tea or coffee and that's it. But we will create this special bonding that they are living something that they are passionate about and they want to come. They want to see the picture, they want to remember, so what was it? What we left it? What was there? So it's kind of including everyone. Even if we feel normal, sometimes we still have our ups and downs, but this will be the place where I find the peace, where we find the freedom. And we won't judge if someone will come just for the restroom.
Let's go. I want to go now.
And yes, you can go, because what we would like to do is that you could be a part of this, but I think girls can explain better because this was something that they were passionate about today.
Actually, the idea it happened like in somewhere else. I heard it from my teacher. That there is a man that they told him that he still have like something like 1 year to live. So he found a wall and he said, before I die, something like that. He wrote what he wanted to do before he died. And a month later, he came to the same wall and he he see it filled with a lot of things that other people wrote in there. So the idea, we changed a little bit the idea, but as you see here, we wrote, I have a dream. So each one of you can come right now and take a pencil and write what is your dream, what you want to do with life.
And we have as well the last picture.
Our dream team.
Yes, just to remind you that this is our team with all the wind in our heads, and like really just take a minute, think about what's your dream, and just come and share it. Thank you. Maybe someone wants to start. Yeah.